Good afternoon, guys. Here from Meet Italy in Craighall Park on Rutland Avenue in Johannesburg. Welcome to Meet Italy, a new installation of ours. I'm just going to take you through on a walkthrough and show you the layout of the place. Let's go on through. Seating area on one side of the restaurant, and as we go to my left, this is the outside patio seated area, and in the far left corner there you can see a staircase going up to an upper deck with seating area right there. This is their bar right there, and then we slowly but surely move on to their grocery store slash deli. More seating out there, guys. The pizza oven right here, some retail items, and here you have the coffee station where they create their wonderful caffeinated coffee drinks. And right there stands our point of sale. As you can see, GARP is currently still on site. I've just placed our terminal right here temporarily until they remove GARP from its position, and then our terminal will be seated, placed in this area. And then if we go through to the grocery store, as you can see, quite a few imported stock items here on the site, and they have a wine tasting area right there. More groceries on this side, and we move on to the deli where they have portioned pre-cooked and portioned food, as well as deli meats down there in the fridge, in the display case. Okay, and then if we turn to my left again, around the corner into the kitchen, and that is where the GARP printer currently sits. Our printer will be seated in that very same position. Our printer is currently here temporarily. And guys, please note that the network has been disconnected from our machines to currently accommodate GARP and their setup here. And as soon as they have removed their equipment, we will then put our stuff on the network, and then I will synchronize the point of sale with the back office, and we will then start capturing items in terms of stock items, and I will show the customer as part of training how to do the necessary management on the back office. Right, guys, from Meet Italy out here in Craighall Park. It's a really nice venue, some really good coffee. Yeah, a place to come and visit.